Hello everyone, welcome to Commerce Lecture. I am Anant Gore, PGT Commerce. Today we are going to learn Business Studies Class 12, Chapter number 1, Nature and Significance of Management. I hope you have already learned Business Studies first year. So this year in Business Studies we are going to learn Management Studies in Part 1 section and Financial Management in Part 2 section. In Part 1 section, first chapter will be, that is, Nature and Significance of Management. Second, Principles of Management. Next, Business Environment, Planning, Organizing, Staffing, Directing and Controlling. So these management functions we are going to learn in Part 1 section Business Studies. And Part 2 section we are going to learn Financial Management, Financial Market, Marketing, Consumer Protection and Entrepreneurship Development. So let us start with first lesson, Nature and Significance of Management. So in this lesson we are going to cover meaning and definitions of management, characteristics of management, objectives of management, importance, management as an art, as a science, as a profession, level of management, that is top level, middle level and operation level, functions of management coordination, the essence of management, characteristics of coordination, importance of coordinations. These points we are going to cover in nature and significance of management. Let us start with meaning of management. So what is management? Management is an art of getting things done with the help of others and with the aim of achieving goals of the organizations effectively and efficiently. So generally we can say management is an art. It is a process of getting things done with the help of other peoples, and we are going to work with the help of other peoples to achieve the organization objectives or goals, and the goal should be effectively and efficiently. So what is management meaning? Management is the process of getting things done with the aim of achieving goals effectively and efficiently. So it is a process of functions of management performs to get things done. So which are the management functions? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. These functions, management functions, perform to get the things done. So this is a process. So this is a management process we can say. What is effective? Effective is nothing but what? Finishing the given task. Whatever work assigned to a particular employees, these work should be finished on time. It is nothing but what? Effective. It is concerned with doing the right task and completing activity and achieving goals. What is efficiency? Efficiency means what? Doing the task correctly with the minimum cost. We have to use optimum resources in the organizations. By using the optimum resources, we are going to get more profit. That is nothing but what? Doing the task correctly and with minimum cost. That is nothing but what? Efficiency. So in management there are two important words you have to remember, that is effectiveness and efficiency. Effectiveness means what? Finishing the given task and on time, and doing the task correctly with minimum cost. It is nothing but what? Efficiency. So management is the process of getting things done with the aim of achieving goals effectively and efficiently. It is called as management. Next, some management experts has given definition of management. According to Horald Muse and H. Welrich, he defined management as management is a process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals working together in a group efficiently accomplish selected aim. So this process is designed for the purpose of and maintaining for the purpose of changing the environment, and in this company in which individuals or employees or managers, they are working together in a group. They are not going to do work individually, personally. They are working together in a group. Means what? In organization there are a separate departmental wise employees are working. Example of accounts department, purchase department, sales department, marketing departments. So in a particular department the individuals are working together for what purpose? Selected aim. With which manner? Efficient manner. So these peoples are doing work with efficient manner to accomplish selected aim, whatever goal or target of the organizations. And for this aim or goal or target of the organizations, all the employees, they are working together in a group. This is nothing but what? Management. So management is a process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals working together in a group efficiently accomplish selected aim. Next, management experts has given one definition. According to Robert Travely and M. Jenny Nippot, defined as management is defined as the process of planning, organizing, executing and controlling an organization operation in order to achieve coordinations and human material resources essential in the effective and efficient attainment of objective. So it is a process of planning. Planning is what to do, when to do, how to do. So this planning performed with the help of management. After planning, how we are going to organize the activity in the organization. Executing is nothing but what? Encouraging to the employees to do work, and controlling, to control over the organizations. Management helps to perform these functions. That is, it is a process of planning, organizing, executing and controlling an organization operation in order to achieve coordination is nothing but what? Relation between the human and material resources. In organizations, all the departments are interlinked with each other. That is nothing but we can say there is a relation between the departments. Account department interlinked to purchase department are interlinked to market departments. It is nothing but what? In organization there will be a coordination to achieve the target or to achieve the objective of the organization with efficient manner and effective manner. So this is nothing but what? Management is a process of planning, organizing, executing, that is encouraging and controlling an organization operation in order to achieve coordination on the human and material resources essential in the effective and efficient attainment of objective. To attain the objective of the organizations, human and material resources They are doing work in effective manner and efficient manner. Next, Kreitner has given one definition about management. He defines as management is the process of working with and through other people to effectively achieve organizational objective by efficiently using limited resources to changing the environment. It is nothing but what? It is the process of working with and through others. With the help of others, work can be done with effective manner. Effectiveness means what? To do right task, correct task, and finishing the work on time. And this work can be done to achieve the organizational objective by efficient manner. Efficient manner means what? By using limited resources or optimum resources in the organization to change the environment in the organization. So this definition given by Kreitner, what did he define? Management is the process of working with and through others to effectively achieve organizational objectives by efficiently using limited resources in the changing environment. Next, what is the difference between effectiveness and efficiency? Effectiveness means it refers to completion of tasks on time. Means employees has to complete the work by given time. On time you have to complete the task. So if a workers or employees finishing the given work, given tasks on time, it is called as effectiveness. But what is efficiency? Efficiency means completion of tasks with minimum cost. Whatever work has been finished, so this work should be minimum cost. It means have to use optimum resources in the organization. By using optimum limited resources or minimum cost in the organization to get more profit. That is nothing but what? Efficiency. Doing the task correctly with minimum cost. Second, it is concerned with end result. After completion of work, you can measure the result, how much work completed. But efficiency is concerned with cost benefit analysis, how much cost incurred for a particular work. That is, cost can be analyzed in efficiency, because efficiency means what? Doing the task with minimum cost. There should be minimum cost. Last, producing target production on time. Whatever targets is given and target can be completed on time. But what is efficiency? Producing target production to its minimum cost. Whatever production has been in the organization, it should be minimum cost. That is called as efficiency. So this is the difference between effectiveness and efficiency. Next, features or characteristics of management. So first, management is a goal oriented. Management is a goal oriented means each and every organizations, they have a different goal. So management helps to the organization to achieving common goal of the organization. Example, retail store has goal to increase the sales. One manufacturing company has a goal to producing more number of products. They are going to increase their units. As a student of class 12, what is your goal? Your goal is to get score above 95 percentage in coming examination, and according to the goal we are going to do work in the organizations or in the institutions. So for this, management helps to achieving goal of the organization. So we can say management is a goal oriented. Different organizations have different goals, and to achieving the organizational goal of the organization, management helps to achieve the goal. Second one, management is all pervasive. Pervasive is nothing but what? Common for all. The activities involved in managing an enterprises are common to all the organization, whether it is economic, social or political. All the organizations management is applicable. Let's take one example. A small petrol pump needs to be managed as much as hospital and school or company. To manage the hospital, at what time you are going to open hospital, at what time you are going to close the hospital, how many nurses are there, doctors are there, how they are going to treat to the patient. So this should be hospitality management. In school, at what time school should start, what is the lunch time, what is the break, what is the bell timing, admission fees, administration, exam schedule. It is nothing but what? Management. So to run in a school or to run in a hospital or to run in a company, as similar to if you want to start one small petrol pump, to manage a small petrol pump also. It means management is all pervasive. It is common for all. It is common for all the organization. It is common for all the businesses. What managers do in India, same in USA. Only difference is that how they are managing. It depends upon culture, tradition and history. So it means management is common for all. It is all pervasive. Next, management is multidimensional. Management involves management of work, management of people, management of operation. Management of work. All the organization exist for the performance of some work. In factory, product can be manufactured. In hospital, patient is treated. In garment store, a customer need is satisfied. It means management of work. Work can be done in the organization. Work can be performed in the organization to achieve the organization objective. Second one, management of people. It means getting work done with the people. It implies dealing with employees as individuals with diverse needs and behavior of the employees. It also dealing with individuals as a group of the people. The task of management is to make the people work towards achieving organization objectives or goals. That is nothing but what? Management of people. Management of operation. Management is interlinked with both the management of work and management of people. It is interlinked between management of work and management of people. It is nothing but what? Management of operation. So it is include taking decisions, solving problem, dealing with employees as individuals and as a group. So take a decision in the firm's management helps to take decision to solve any problem about the employees, about the companies, about any problem. To solve the problem, management helps. Dealing with employees behaviors as individuals in a groups, management helps. So we can say there are three dimensions of management. One is management of work, management of people, management of operation. Next, management is a continuous process. It means management starts with planning and ends with controlling. To achieve the organizational objective, there should be have plan. So it starts with planning process. So what is planning? What to do, how to do, when to do. Prepare in advance. Whatever you are going to do work in the organization, for this you are going to prepare plan in advance. That is nothing but planning. How you are going to implement the plan? That is nothing but organizing different types of activity in the organization. Stopping. For this you required manpower, and for this we are going to recruit the people in the organization by taking interview, aptitude test. After selecting the candidates, we are going to provide a training facilities for the development of the employees. And next, selected candidates, manager is going to guide to the people. That is something about directing. And it ends with controlling. Control the business, control the management, control the employees in the organization. So these management functions perform with the help of management. So management starts with planning and ends with controlling. It is a continuous process. It is a continuous process. Next, management is a group activity. Management as a group enables all its members to grow and develop as the needs and opportunity changes. So management is a group activity. Management is applicable to group of the people in the organization. Departmental wise work can be done. So this is nothing but what? Management is a group activity. Every members of the groups has different purpose of joining. Someone is joining to do accounting work. Someone has joined in marketing department, in sales department, in purchase department. So every members of the group has different purpose of joining, but as the member of organization, they work towards to fulfill the common organization goals. Whatever common organizational objectives of the business, for this purpose, peoples are working in a group. So we can say management is a group activity. Next, management is a dynamic function. So management has to adapt itself to changing the environment. To change the environment in the organization, management helps. An organization interacts with external environment also. Sometimes it affects economics effects, social and political factors are affecting the management, and how you are going to deal with these factors. Management helps. So management is a dynamic function. It helps to face the factors such as economic, social and political. So you can say management is a dynamic process. Next, management is an intangible force. Intangible is nothing but what? We cannot see, but the presence can be felt in the way of organization function. Targets are met according to the plans of the employees will be happy and satisfied, and their orderless instead of choice. It means management is an intangible force. Management we cannot see, but the presence can be felt in the way of organization function. See the planning process, organizing, you are going to recruit the people, you are going to guide to the employees. So this is nothing but what? The result you can feel, but the management is not seen. And the effect of management is noticeable in the organization, where targets are completed according to the plans. Employees will be happy, satisfied. You can see the growth of the organization. You will get more profit. But what behind of this? Management. So management is an intangible force. So these are the features, or you can say characteristics of management. Thank you. Next class we are going to discuss objectives of management and importance of management. Thank you.